This is 175 West 93rd, 5H, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, fully renovated. Large living and separate dining area. Lots of windows and natural light. Little breakfast nook. Custom cabinetry, all built in. Large marble countertop with breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances. Floor to ceiling cabinetry, double sink. Nice entry foyer with hall closet, another closet here. Doored hallway to the back where the bedrooms and bathroom are. Marble tiled floor. Large storage vanity. Another closet. This one's a walk-in. Master bedroom. Super bright. Space for a king-size bed. Plenty of sky. Floor to ceiling closet doors. Another closet here. There's a laundry closet in the bathroom. Stackable washer dryer. And then a large children's bedroom, second bedroom. Again, very bright. 2 exposures. You can close the door between the front and the back. Again, this large